Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Saeco Super Automatica Silver. It was clogged, and the customer brought it in with that complaint, so we did a nice little tune-up on the machine and spent a lot of time unclogging it because it was really built up on the inside. And we are finished, so I'm going to just hit that button. I'm going to brew a cup of coffee. Espresso, excuse me. I've got it on that little portafilter filter because it's quite a ways down and it splashes a lot.
Very rarely. That's correct.
There we go.
Hello? I said yes, that's correct.
You can see that it's dripping out of one more than the other, but that's not a product of clogging. It's just a fact of the machine is on a table that's slightly at an angle. Otherwise it would come out more evenly than it is now. But there it is. There's the shot. Working once again. Thanks for bringing it in. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this every day. Have a good one.